artificial intelligence soon replace journalists? Well, that's a question that a lot of people have been asking themselves since the rise of generative AI tools such as ChatGPT. ChatGPT and other text AI tools are pretty much able to do anything. In a matter of seconds, they could write a high school essay, a song, and now even pass medical licensing exams. And now this technology is also slowly seeping into the newsrooms. CNET, a tech news outlet, has been quietly using AI to write, for example, financial explainer articles. And it looks like they started this experiment around November of last year. And when you look more closely at the CNET website and at the articles that have been written by AI, you can find this disclaimer. This article was assisted by an AI engine and reviewed, fact-checked, and edited by our editorial staff. But just last week, CNET announced it will pause its AI publishing experiment after being called out for a number of inaccuracies in their articles. And so this was the statement that was provided by the editor-in-chief of CNET. She said, "We identified additional stories that required correction, with a small number requiring substantial correction." But can AI ever become beneficial in the newsroom? Well, that's what Ariane Bernard, project lead for data at the International News Media Association, believes.
The areas where we might want to use generative AIs are going to be very limited, but they exist, and we should kind of see where it might be in our interest, not controversial, not political, not sort of like areas of coverage that really touch society in a meaningful way. So to me, lifestyle, and that's not to diminish the importance of lifestyle journalism, but it is not as contentious.
The news outlet BuzzFeed is also reportedly planning to use artificial intelligence to personalize and enhance its online content, such as, for example, its quizzes. So should we be worried about artificial intelligence writing the articles that you're reading online? Well, Gal Breton, the digital marketing expert, thinks it's time for everyone to start adapting to this new technology.
Is it good or bad? It doesn't matter because it's happening anyway. What matters is how we use this technology and how we make sure that it's not used to spread false information and that there's good editorial processes behind. I think you need to start to understand how it works, learn how to use it, because there's no way we get rid of it at this point.
The Cube also reached out to CNET and BuzzFeed for a comment, but we have yet to receive a response from them.